If you're tired of wrestling with bulky, tangled cords or vacuum cleaners that lose suction halfway through cleaning, it's time to go cordless. Modern cordless vacuums pack powerful suction, long battery life, and smart features into sleek, lightweight designs. Whether you're battling pet hair, carpet stains, or hidden dust in tight spaces, a top-tier cordless vacuum can make cleaning faster, easier, and even enjoyable. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 cordless vacuums on Amazon right now based on performance, durability, and real user reviews. We'll cover their standout features, runtime, suction power, and who each model is best for. Stick around, because one of these might just revolutionize your cleaning routine. Oh, and don't forget to check the description for links to today's top picks. Let's dive in. Number 5. Fieety V9 Cordless Vacuum. Best for fragrance and auto mode. Starting off our list is the Fieety V9, a versatile cordless vacuum that combines raw power with clever conveniences. Its 550-watt brushless motor delivers an impressive 45,000 pascals of suction, strong enough to lift embedded pet hair and even stubborn dirt from deep carpet fibers. What sets the Fieety apart is its smart auto mode, which automatically adjusts suction power based on the surface. Gentler for hard floors, turbocharged for carpets. No more manual switching. The 7-stage HEPA filtration traps 99.99% of dust and allergens, while a built-in fragrance slot lets you add optional scented tablets, leaving your home smelling fresh after every clean. With a 60-minute runtime, extendable via a removable second battery, and a self-standing design, you can pause mid-task without worrying about it tipping over. The 3.3-foot extendable hose reaches under furniture or car seats, and the LED touchscreen gives real-time alerts for blockages or battery status. For pet owners or allergy sufferers, the Fieety V9 is a standout. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 4. SunSare X7A. Best budget-friendly powerhouse. Next up, the SunSare X7A proves you don't need to splurge for premium performance. Priced under $130, this vacuum boasts a 550-watt motor and 45 kilopascals suction, rivaling models twice its cost. The 8-cell battery offers up to 60 minutes of runtime in eco mode, 20 minutes on max, and the wall-mounted charging dock ensures it's always ready to go. A color touchscreen lets you adjust suction levels and monitor battery life, while the self-standing base means no awkward leaning against walls. SunSare packed this vacuum with anti-tangle brushes and a 270-degree swivel head for maneuvering around furniture. The 1.5-liter dustbin is larger than many competitors, and the 7-layer filtration captures microscopic allergens. Number 3. LEVOIT LV AC200. Best lightweight and tangle-free design. For quick daily cleanups, the LEVOIT LV AC200 is a fan favorite. Weighing just 6.2 pounds, it's effortless to carry upstairs or into your car. The tangle-resistant brush roll is a game-changer for pet owners. No more cutting hair out of the bristles after every use. Its 22.2 volts motor provides 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode, 12 minutes in turbo, and the 5-stage filtration traps 99.9% of dust. The 180-degree line design slides under low furniture, and 3 LED lights reveal hidden debris in dark corners. LEVOIT includes a 2-in-1 pet tool and crevice nozzle, making it ideal for cars and upholstery. While suction isn't as strong as our top 2 picks, its portability and hassle-free maintenance make it perfect for small homes or quick touch-ups. Number 2. Powerffy A17. Best for customizable suction and LED lighting. The Powerffy A17 stands out with its 5 adjustable suction levels, controlled via a sleek LED touchscreen. Need gentle suction for curtains? Slide to level 1. Tackling a thick rug? Crank it to level 5. The 450-watt brushless motor hits 40 kilopascals suction, and the 55-minute runtime is among the longest in its class. This vacuum shines in low light thanks to a floor brush with 4 built-in LEDs. The 7-in-1 accessories include an upgraded sofa brush and HEPA filters, while the one-touch dustbin release keeps your hands clean. With a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, the Powerffy A17 is a reliable workhorse for larger homes. Number 1. LEVOIT LVC300. Best overall performance with HEPA filtration. Our top pick, the LEVOIT LVAC300, is the ultimate upgrade. Its HEPA filter captures 99.99% of 0.3 micron particles, rivaling air purifiers. The 3000 mAh battery delivers 60 minutes of runtime, and the mini motorized brush deep cleans upholstery and pet beds. The 3rd-gen anti-tangle brush eliminates hair wrap, and 12,000 RPM suction handles embedded debris. With Dolby Atmos level audio clarity for a vacuum? Okay, not really, but it feels that premium. This is the gold standard. Priced higher but backed by LEVOIT's legendary support, the LVAC300 is the best investment for serious cleaners. So, which cordless vacuum suits your needs? Whether you prioritize budget, SunSare X7A, smart features, Fieety V9, or HEPA filtration, LEVOIT LVAC300, there's a perfect match here. Drop a comment below with your top pick, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description. Check them out and enjoy your upgraded cleaning experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.